I guess we are all familiar with this AI tool called the ChatGPT. So what if I told you that there's another AI tool which have the capability of ChatGPT and can actually make money for you? And guys, that AI tool right here is called the Passive GPT. And this is a cool AI tool which you want to take advantage if you're an affiliate marketer. As you can see right here, is for ClickBank AI affiliate right here, and you can actually go on to plug in ChatGPT into Planet Earth with a Siri-like voice plugin that makes up to $444 right here when you just simply click on hit play. And if you do that right now, guys, you can see that finally ChatGPT is actually streaming access into sales video and a lot more other content right here into Spotify and a lot more other content. And this AI called the Passive GPT actually allows you access to a lot more stores right here. As you can see, finally it's an AI that actually makes money. It actually has voice control, which is combined with ChatGPT. It actually works on any device which is connected to ChatGPT. It has daily opportunities that auto update, AI auto updates when the net does, and it has limitless potential to scale profit right here. You could monetize other content on ClickBank, Spotify, YouTube, and also mega sites right here. So this is actually cool and affiliate an amazing opportunity right here, which you could actually take advantage of with the help of this Passive GPT AI. And you can see right now, guys, that you do have 100% guaranteed returns when you actually turn GPT into Tony Stark's Jarvis or triple your money back right here. And guys, if you just keep on scrolling, you'll be able to see more details about this AI tool. You can see right here that this person has actually been using it to make some cool cash right now. And guys, all you want to do is to stop trying at ChatGPT or stop typing at ChatGPT. It's 1500% more profitable to talk, especially when it's others who are actually talking. And guys, you can actually take advantage of this right here because talking actually gets more across to people rather than typing right now. And you could use AI to unlock the free YouTube traffic by loading a playlist, hitting play, then head to the pool for a dip right here. And this AI tool is actually going to help you make some money right now. You want to just simply bank with strange affiliate programs that no one knows, and you actually do get 10% or $10 per click right here using this particular platform. And you can see right here that it's actually compatible with ClickBank right now, and also YouTube and other platforms out there. As you can see, you could long jack this summer and you could use this AI tool right now. And guys, there are a lot more features of this AI tool right here. You can actually do check that by using the link down below in the description of this video to gain access to this app page right now. And you can also use the link down below because the link will be made available for you to go on to purchasing this particular AI tool. And if you do that, guys, you're also going to gain access to some bonus packages right here from me. And you just want to make sure you do follow the steps right here. And the bonus packages which you're actually going to be getting are ranging from internet marketing, business, online business, make money online, affiliate marketing, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube marketing, and a lot more other stuff right there. And you want to make sure you follow these 3 simple steps right now. The first step right here will be to go onto our channel, which is the Tech Point Review, or you want to just simply use the link in the bio of this video to purchase any product that you desire right now. And guys, you want to just simply purchase the product right here that's actually mentioned in this video, which is the Passive AI. If you do go to purchasing that particular product using the link in the description of this video, you just want to make sure you follow the step 2, which is to screenshot your purchase and send that to this particular email address right here. You can see this email address, pause this video, copy this email address, and send that particular screenshot of your purchase to this email. And once you do that, guys, you want to move on to the step 3, which is once your purchase has actually been confirmed, you're actually going to be sent a bundle of your bonus bundle right there to your email shortly. And you can see right there your bonus bundle actually ranges from the 7-figure mastery guide, the Amazon affiliate profit, endless internet profit, and a lot more other content right here. You can keep scrolling more and more, and you can see right here that there are a lot of other cool content that can actually help you maximize your income with the help of this AI tool called the Passive AI. So take advantage of that right now. And guys, you could just simply keep on scrolling, and you can see that this is actually a voice powered chat GPT which you can actually use on any device, and it can actually help you earn more income on YouTube, on affiliate marketing platforms like Clickbank, Digital24, or other affiliate marketing platforms out there. And guys, these are actually steps which you want to just simply follow right now. The first, you want to just simply choose one of the preloaded prompts or enter your own. It's your call. The second, you want to just simply find the content or sales videos such as a YouTube video, TV shows, or your own voice right there that talks about your topic or product. Then guys, you just want to watch a ChatGPT record and transcribe the MP3, turns it into a prompt and delivers a response based on audio it heard. And guys, this is actually going to be a live and new AI beyond the AI. And you could just simply join now to get your own Jarvis / Siri with GPT permanently on call or plug in and listening to your voice live, turning every word you say into cash command. And you can actually see right now that it includes $100 to $400 per day real life AI profit case studies. And you can actually see that you could just simply go on to unlocking the AI gold rush with the cutting edge software, video and ebook suite. And you can also go on to making money with new websites, niches, new trends, and actually cool products right there, affiliate programs, sites, keywords, and other GPT that can't access this particular stuff right now. And you can see that it's going to be a Siri to the Jarvis to the hybrid right here. That is Siri Jarvis hybrid plus ChatGPT, and that's actually going to give you a new way to make profit on this platform. And you can see right here that they are actually making money on this platform. You can keep scrolling through guys and you'll be able to see more details about this AI tool. And guys, the link right here to this page will always be made available to you in the description of this video. Why not just simply grab hold of that link and start using that right now? Go on to purchasing this particular product right now. And guys, you want to just simply maximize this product. If you're an affiliate marketer or you want to just simply go on to making money online, make use of this product right here and you can actually do maximize your income. And don't forget guys that if you do use the link in the description of this video to purchase that particular product right now or this product right now, you just want to follow my 3 steps to actually get a bonus package from me. And like I said guys, the first step would be to actually get use the link in the description of this video to go on to purchasing the Passive GPT. And if you do use that link, you want to move on to the step 2, which is to screenshot your purchase and send to this email address. Once you do that and your purchase has actually been confirmed, you will receive a bonus bundle from me on your email shortly. And such bonus bundle are actually cool products right here that can actually help you maximize your income with the Passive GPT. And guys, you can see that these are actually cool and amazing products which are the niche market discovery, instant content creator, and a lot more other stuff right here. So I hope you do take advantage of this AI tool right now. Call the chat the Passive GPT and actually use this to make a lot of money right here. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.